Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one
Hey guys, today is going to be a power hour, and this is going to be a collab with my friend WonderfullyAle, and I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce
Hey
herself.
guys, my name is Allie and I am a mommy of a 5-year-old little boy. I am also a wife and a flight attendant. So in my channel you will find a lot of flight attendant vlogs, and I show you how I balance everything from home life to married life, mommy life, while being 17 weeks pregnant at the same time with our second baby. So after you guys finish watching Jessica's video, I would love to have you come over to my channel and see if you guys would like to stay. I would love to have you be a part of the family and have you join me on this journey. Anyway, thank you guys so much for letting me introduce myself, and I'll let Jessica take over.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 hour.
she's everything I'm dreaming of.
So this power hour is pretty much what I do on a normal morning. So this is like my morning cleaning routine. So this is what I would do just to start my day if I had not cleaned the night before. So I have a sink full of dishes, and I just cleaned that spot off of the counter, and I laid out my drying mats. And you guys ask me where I get those a lot. That is one of my most often asked questions, and I just get them from Walmart. They're like $2 to $3, and once they're done, I let them air dry, and I will go ahead and put them back in the drawer, and then I wash them about every other time just with my towels and that sort of thing. So yeah, that's where I got those. And my pans are from Pioneer Woman, and the other ones are from Green Life, and I do not like them. They fell apart within a couple of weeks. They just started chipping, and I don't put my pans in the dishwasher or anything. I always hand wash them, and they just did not hold up. But so far I am loving my Pioneer Woman ones, and she does have different colors if the aqua color isn't your thing. But you guys do ask me where I get them, and I got them from Walmart, and they are Pioneer Woman. I also get asked a lot about that little stool, and that is from OdorKlenz. I have another one upstairs in the girls' bathroom for them so that they can, well, mostly Kinsley now can brush her teeth and that sort of thing. And then that one is there so that my oldest can put things into the microwave or get up into the cabinets if she needs to, because she is starting to cook things on her own. And I am just using the Mrs. Meyer's in Basil. You guys heard me talk about that in my favorites video. And this is the soft pink petal tea cake candle from Bath and Body Works, and I am obsessed with it. It smells so good. It's just such a soft and nice smell, different than most scents. And I'm definitely going to be repurchasing and hopefully finding this in the wallflowers or some other items, because the candle is just phenomenal. It smells really good. So I definitely recommend checking that out. And I'm just cleaning out my sink, which is my favorite part, and I'm using one of those planks that I also mentioned in my favorites, and you just put it in the garbage disposal and it makes it smell super lemony fresh, and I love them. And also, if you were wondering, I take that little scrubber and put it in the dishwasher and run it through a cycle after I'm done washing the sink. And it was snowing on this day, so I was letting you guys see the snow falling down because it was so pretty, and Tucker had to go potty.
Find out what this life was all about. Just help me go back, 'cause nobody waits. Days floating by, it all feels the same.
My hoodie is from Walmart.com. It's not actually from Walmart, but when you go on Walmart.com, they have a bunch of things from other retailers. I don't really understand how it works, but that's where I found it, and I was showing that to you guys on my Instagram. A lot of you had asked, but that's where I got it, just on Walmart.com. So now I'm just coming in the living room and straightening up, putting everything in its place so I can wipe down some of the surfaces. Now this was just kind of a quick tidy up. I just wanted to get as much as I could done in this hour and just get the house straightened up. It's by no means a deep clean. I would do a lot more, but I just wiped down the coffee table and the end tables because I wipe those down daily, and I just have kids and they get stuff everywhere, so there's always fingerprints and stuff, so I'm always wiping those things down. And then like on a weekly basis I'll go down and wipe all of them off. And then I'm just showing you the Caldrea linen spray. It's I'm not even gonna say, I cannot say it unless I'm reading the label. That's why I showed it to you guys. It's the weirdest name. I don't know why they name things like that, but it is really good. I love it. It's my favorite one. If you guys haven't tried it, if you try anything I recommend, please try that stuff because it is just so good. I love it, and it lasts on your blankets and your fabrics for days, so I really like to use that stuff. I'll spray it on the curtains and the rug and the pillows, just everything, and it just smells really good. And you can get that at Grove. I always have a link in the description box. And then I'm just throwing in a load of Kinsley's clothes. I did not separate them. I used to separate her clothes, and then one day I was like, you know what, I just don't have time for this, and it works out just fine. I have no issues whatsoever. So this is my trio of laundry. I get asked all the time by people who know me what I use, and that's what I use. I don't change that routine up. That is what I use. It is awesome. I love it. It just works so good, and we always get compliments on how our laundry smells. So if you have not tried that yet, definitely try it and thank me later because it's awesome. So now I'm just going to go in and vacuum and mop. You guys have seen me do that 100 times. And if anyone is new, all of the like the vacuum and the mop and that sort of thing are listed in the description box if you are interested.
Unable to feel, we've been down this road before. Our love is not an open door, it's a shot in the dark, and you bring it on. I'm telling you, don't, not just wait, 'cause I know where it came from, and you go from.
So my go-to mopping solution is the original pine sol in hot water. It smells so good. I love that it kills 99.9% of germs. I love the way my floors look after I clean with this, and it's just my go-to. I've tried other things and they're fun to try, but I always come back to my pine sol. Those strings on the floor are my balloons. If you guys follow me on Instagram, and I think I posted it on Facebook as well, I did a little photo shoot with balloons for 30,000 subscribers, which, by the way, thank you guys so much for 30,000 subscribers. I'm so happy to see our little family growing, and I love you guys so much. So I'm all done. I got everything completed, and I had a little bit of time to spare, so that's always good. And you guys like it when I show you kind of an overview of everything finished. So I'm going to leave you on that note, and I will see you guys next time. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you're coming over from Allie's channel, thank you so much for coming over and watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope you will decide to stick around. Bye guys.
smoking room.